Why do my mashed potatoes turn out gummy, watery, or just boring? And how do I get that jaw-dropping, restaurant-level creaminess at home? Stick with me, because I'm about to fix that forever and show you the exact step-by-step way to make the creamiest mashed potatoes ever with one secret ingredient you won't expect. Plus a silky homemade garlic or butter sauce, a crunchy topping, and a quick sweet strawberry lemonade to sip while you swoon. You'll need 2 pounds Yukon gold potatoes. The golden texture is everything. 6 tablespoons unsalted butter, plus extra for finishing. Half a cup heavy cream. Half a cup plain Greek yogurt. This is our secret ingredient. It gives that velvety tang and unbelievable silkiness. 4 cloves roasted garlic, or 2 cloves fresh minced. 1 teaspoon kosher salt, plus more to taste. 1/2 teaspoon white pepper, keeps the color clean. 2 tablespoons chopped chives, 2 tablespoons chopped flat leaf parsley, and a splash of lemon juice to brighten. For the garlic or butter sauce, 4 tablespoons butter, 2 cloves minced garlic, half a cup heavy cream. Yes, again, we're generous. 1 tablespoon chopped chives, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, pinch of salt and white pepper. For the crunchy topping, thinly sliced shallots or store-bought crispy shallots, and a drizzle of brown butter. For the drink, 2 cups strawberries, half a cup sugar, half a cup lemon juice, 3 cups cold water. Simple strawberry lemonade. Ingredient amounts are made to serve 4. Scale is needed. First things first. Wash your potatoes under cold running water until the skins are free of grit. Peel the potatoes. Then wash them again to remove any remaining starch or peel bits. Cut them into even 1.5-inch chunks so they boil uniformly. Place the potatoes in a pot. Cover with cold water. Always start cold. That prevents the exterior from overcooking while the center is raw. Add a generous pinch of salt to the water and bring to a rolling simmer. Simmer until a fork slides through the chunks easily, about 12 to 18 minutes depending on size. Tip: test a few pieces. You want them fully tender but not falling apart. While the potatoes cook, roast your garlic if using roasted. Wrap 4 cloves in foil with a drizzle of oil and roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, or simply smash and mince fresh garlic for a sharper hit. Warm the heavy cream and butter together in a small saucepan until the butter melts and the liquid is hot but not boiling. Warming the dairy keeps your mash fluffy and prevents it from cooling and clumping. Also prepare your garlic or butter sauce now. Melt 4 tablespoons butter in a small skillet over medium heat until it foams. Add the minced garlic. Sauté 30 seconds until fragrant. Pour in half a cup heavy cream. Simmer gently 2 to 3 minutes until it thickens slightly. Whisk in chopped chives, lemon juice, salt and white pepper. And keep warm. This sauce will be spooned over the mash at the finish. Promise, it's the thing people will Instagram. When the potatoes are done, drain them thoroughly and return them to the hot pot off the heat for 30 to 60 seconds to let excess steam evaporate. This is the secret subtle move that prevents watery mash. Now mash. For the absolute creamiest texture, use a potato ricer or food mill. Press the potatoes straight into a warmed bowl or back into the pot. If using a hand masher, keep motion gentle and deliberate. Avoid the blender or food processor unless you like glue. Overworking starch makes gummy potatoes. Here's the magic. Fold in the butter first. Cut into pieces and fold until melted and silky. Then, add the warmed heavy cream in a slow stream, folding as you go. Next, fold in the secret ingredient. Half a cup plain Greek yogurt. It adds tang, incredible creaminess, and a luxurious mouthfeel without making the mash heavy. Season with kosher salt and white pepper, tasting as you go. If the potatoes need loosening, add a tablespoon of reserved potato cooking water at a time until you reach your perfect pourable but thick consistency. Tip: always warm your dairy and butter. Cold dairy will shock the potatoes and make them gluey. At this point you could stop and serve the most dreamy mashed potatoes of your life, but I love a textural contrast. Spoon the mash into an oven-proof baking dish. Smooth the top, dot with extra butter, and pop under a hot broiler for 2 to 3 minutes, or bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes until the edges turn lacy and golden. This gives a beautiful finish without losing creaminess. While it's finishing, crisp your shallots quickly. Thinly slice a shallot. Toss with a touch of oil, and fry in a small pan until lacy and brown, or use store-bought crispy shallots for convenience. To plate, scoop the mash into a warm serving bowl. Spoon the warm garlic herb butter sauce generously over the top so it pools into every crevice. Scatter chopped chives and parsley. Add a crack of fresh black pepper, or white pepper for a clean look. And sprinkle your crunchy shallot chips for contrast. The first spoonful should steam, smell of garlic and butter, and slide buttery and tangy across the tongue. And if you want to add a protein, a quick pan-seared herb chicken or charred green beans make perfect partners, but these potatoes are the star. A few tricks I always use. 1. Salt the boiling water like the sea. Potatoes absorb seasoning while cooking. 2. Use Yukon Golds for the creamiest natural starch. Russets can be used but need more fat. 3. Never add cold butter or cream. Warm is your friend. 4. If you want a super silky finish, pass the final mash through a ricer one last time. 5. If using a hand mixer, pulse briefly on low. Too long and you're chewing glue. 6. Taste for salt before serving. Potatoes can be deceivingly bland until finished. 7. For a show-stopping holiday touch, fold in a little grated Parmesan or a spoonful of browned butter before the broil. And, because I prefer more than just potatoes, the quick strawberry lemonade. Blitz 2 cups fresh strawberries with half a cup sugar until smooth. Strain if you prefer clear juice. Stir in half a cup lemon juice and 3 cups cold water. Chill and serve over ice with a lemon wheel. It's sweet, bright, and pairs beautifully with buttery, savory potatoes. For a crunchy snack, toast thin baguette slices brushed with garlic butter until golden. Garlic crostini are perfect to scoop up any extra sauce. Taste test time. That warm garlic herb sauce on top, the tang from the Greek yogurt folded in, the fluffy cells from ricing. It all combines into that creamy but light texture you can't get with plain milk and butter alone. Have you tried Greek yogurt in mashed potatoes before? Tell me your results. And there you have it. The method, the secret, the sauce, the crunch, and the perfect partner drink to make mashed potatoes worth writing home about. Thank you for watching. If you love this recipe and want more kitchen hacks, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Tell me what I should transform next. See you in the next fun food story.